Welcome back to the Urban Ranch. You know when the kitchen cabinets are being installed that the project is moving along at a quick pace. We've worked with Mock Woodworking based out of Zanesville, Ohio to custom build all of the millwork or cabinetry on the project. The north wall of the kitchen is a significant storage and functional aspect of the home, and the design was well planned. One of the most crucial aspects of design is the communication of the design intent to the team that will build the vision. We left little to doubt as I literally drew every piece of cabinetry that was going to be built for the home. I did this in an old school manner on graph paper, as you can see some of the various millwork pieces for the home. Once drawn, we sent these to the draftsman at Mock to then create a digital shop drawing. The shop drawings were then revised and revised several times before they were spot on, down to the 1/8 of an inch in some cases. Mock then built the cabinets out of solid wood, no MDF or particle board to be sure. While the B7 crew handled the millwork installation, your trusty homeowners were at it again, contributing to things by installing custom-cut LED lights into a set of floating walnut shelves in the bar area, as well as in a particular base cabinet that sits adjacent to the stove. We had this cabinet constructed specifically to showcase several Le Creuset enameled bakeware items that we have. These pieces just look cool, and we didn't want them to sit behind cabinet doors, so aside from having Mock reinforce the cabinet to hold the heavy pans, as you can see here, this particular cabinet, we also ran 2 dado grooves in the top of the open shelf. You can see those here. I then ran 2 dimmable LED light strips in so that the Le Creuset items can be illuminated. A little extra time pays off in the end, and we're quite happy with the result. As cabinets were installed, so too were the kitchen appliances. These are a mix of Miele, a steam oven, a vacuum sealing drawer, 2 dishwashers, a Wolf 48-inch dual fuel stove with 24-inch griddle on top, and Sub-Zero fridge and freezer columns, along with a Sub-Zero ice maker and beverage fridge. We also went with a Zip Hydro Tap, which dispenses filtered water, sparkling carbonated water, or instant 187-degree hot water. A really neat unit, and one that we use daily, especially for that bubbly water. In another episode, we'll focus on the kitchen island, as it is one of the most functionally design-driven areas of the kitchen, and for good reason. Be on the lookout for that in the near future. Once the cabinets are in, you can see we're starting to take up some of the protective floor coverings, and now finally for the first time we're able to appreciate those beautiful white oak rift and quarter sawn hardwood floors. We like to think throughout the project everybody's had a good time. We've certainly enjoyed getting to know all the skilled craftsmen that worked on the project, and we like to think that they enjoyed it as well. Well, there's Pollo doing some drywall patches and that. Looks like he's having a good time on the job. Oh, and Sparky, one of our electricians. Both the guys just did a fantastic job working on installing some of these rather complex light fixtures. As you can see, that one over top of the kitchen island there. Chuck and the guys built a rolling library ladder style ladder to make accessing the uppermost cabinets a breeze. And honestly, the ladder adds just another bit of intrigue to the design of the space as well. Here you can see the final design and installation of the kitchen north wall. That's the Miele steam oven and the vacuum drawer underneath it. Well, the project's really taken shape now, and as usual, more to come on the Urban Ranch. Thanks for watching.